Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome and I hope you stick around. Valentine's Day is around the corner and I wanted to film this eye makeup look for you guys. If you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I already primed my eyelids. Now I'm going to go in with some eyeshadow. The palette that I'm going to be using today is the ColourPop X Powerpuff Girls palette. The first shade I'm going to go in with is Crime Fighting. The next shade I'm going to go in with is Pokey Oaks. I want this eye look to look a little bit more pink. So I'm going to go in with the shade The Fashionistas. Now I want to add some shimmer to my eyelids. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here. So now I'm going to do some liner. I'm not going to use eyeliner. I'm actually going to use eyeshadow to create that eyeliner effect. It gives it more of a soft look. I'm going in with the dark brown eyeshadow. You can use whichever dark brown eyeshadow you own. What's great about this technique is that if you make a mistake, it's eyeshadow, so you can just blend it out. Alright guys, now that I'm done with that, I'm going to put on mascara. If you want, you could put on lashes, but today I'm going to stick with mascara. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris Air Volume Waterproof Mega Mascara. Alright, so now that I finished doing my eyes, I'm going to move on to the face. For this portion of the video, I'm going to speed up the process. But if you guys want a detailed video on how I do my face makeup, then let me know and leave a comment down below. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button to get a notification every time I upload a new video. And don't forget, I post every Thursday. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!